All right, so welcome back, Eric and Tom Show. We're back with Rodney. We've taken our 45-minute pause. Rodney, tell everybody, what do you think so far?
It's an art piece.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
So we're going to get all this buffed out. We've waited the allotted time, and just like I told Rodney now, we're going to, once we get this buffed out, we've waited our 45 minutes. If he wants to apply another coat, which I recommended, you do wait 24 hours before you put that other coat on. But right now, same 100% cotton, folded over same way, and we're going to wipe about a corner of this, and then I'm going to switcheroo, get a clean spot, do some more, then we're going to flip it over and do the other side. See how it just cleans that right up. Okay, takes all that right off there. That is already worked down into this wood beautifully, leaving behind that silk. And just working it, brother, working it.
I think the blues was a good color to go with.
Oh, I certainly agree. This is just beyond pretty. Beyond pretty. Look at that, boys, just the way that hits. What do you think, fellas?
I think it's
That is beautiful.
a work of art.
Now, I wanna let everybody know at home, you ain't even seen the best part yet. So don't go nowhere. This ain't the end. We got one more side buff out here. We're gonna put that light right behind this top. And man, I'm telling you, you think this is wicked now. Wait till these edges light up.
Can't wait. Let the angels in.
Man, let them in, brother.
Let them in.
Now look how much darker that side is. Beautiful, Rodney. Check that out, brother. Look at the other side of that coin.
Decisions. Which side to use?
I
Right?
know. I'll tell you this.
We got the purples come out.
We do. I'll tell you this, man. That them edges just really came alive. Now, did you notice? And very crucial, very important. When we were combing all this over, remember I coved half of the turn.
Mm-hmm.
Then I did the top, and when I did the top, I went over that edge right there just to blend it in with the turn. That is so crucial because that's why you can see it roll over, but you can't feel it roll over. There's no edge at all there. This is just, brother, this is as custom as they come. The beauty.
It's one of a kind.
Oh, absolutely.
Nobody else has got one.
No.
That's the thing. When you make a piece like this.
Yeah, no. We could try to duplicate this same. It'll never turn out the same. Not like this. Same shape, pattern, everything, cut, design, all of it. It just won't. Won't happen. This is what I call classy. It is, it's so stunning. It's so beautiful. You know, if there was a better word of choice, classy, you know, all that stuff, elegant, it just screams at you from across the room. I am truly dying to see what we have in the light.
Yeah.
You know, I keep stressing about that. I know it's going to be special, but you really don't know how special or how cool it is until you actually do it. So, even though this is breathtaking, just sitting here, when we put it through that light, we ought to see something happen that's going to blow our minds. So that's always our hope. You never know. But I'm dying to find out.
It's free over there.
Yeah. Get that just a little bit there. There we go. All right,
It's
you
hard
ready?
to believe we started with that rough sawmill lumber.
Yes, sir.
And end up with this.
Yeah,
You know, it's just
absolutely.
unreal.
Now, yeah, check out that shine, that gleam. Look how them edges hit. Tom, you're a beast with that camera, brother. Oh, yes, sir. Rodney, you want to see this?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm waiting on this.
All right. Won't you switch me
I'm going
seats
to
here
switch
real
seats
quick?
with you in case I
Go.
fall over.
In case you fall over,
In case I
huh?
fall over. I don't want anybody to see me.
All right. So what I want to do here. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. Uh-oh, hang on. Here we go. I'm going to have to bring this out so we can get up close. Now that's going to spin a little bit on your time, so maybe we're going to come back over here. So I want to see what's going to happen here, Mr. Rodney. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, check it out.
Look at the river.
Look at that. Look at that guy. Now, let me do something really cool here. Watch this. Let's blind that. Look at that edge come to life. Now, help me out here. Let me get this light. Well, I need to get that light away. There we go. That way we're in the whole piece. Check that out.
Oh my.
Check that.
Got your own little hurricanes in there.
Yeah, don't we though? Now, let's get a good shot of that edge without getting the light in it. Look at that. Now, do me the biggest favor. Kill that light up here. Rodney, if you want to grab that phone.
Yeah.
Y'all stay with us. Don't go nowhere. Let's show this off. Look at that guy, Rodney. That guy. Now, we're just lit up in here in the dark.
Oh,
Look at that.
check that out.
Look at that edge, how it just flows over like water. Isn't that just stunning? Stunning. What do you think?
That's worth all the work right there.
Yeah, absolutely it is. So
I
we love it.
appreciate this.
We love it. Absolutely love it. There we go. We're going to set her on back down. Look at that. I mean, boy, it just comes right on through. So what do you think, Rodney?
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah.
Great job.
Hey, you know, we couldn't have done this without you. It wouldn't have been the same.
I'm excited. I'm telling you, this is like Christmas.
Yeah. Well, hey, just like usual, we appreciate everybody tuning in. We're going to go ahead and cut this episode off. We're going to pick back up over at Rodney's log cabin that he has been working on himself 8 years. So we'll be back real soon. Don't forget to tune in for the next episode. You got to see this custom cabin. Check it out.